Hi everyone, it's Matt at Ghost Bikes, and in this video we're going to take a look at the Agrius Taurus waterproof mid-motorcycle boots. The Taurus is a durable boot. We've had it manufactured from microfiber upper. On the outside, what you can see, reinforced gear shift pad, protection wise, reinforced toe, reinforced ankle cups on both sides, reinforced heel. They're fully waterproof, there's a waterproof membrane inside them. Fastenings, hook and loop closure to the outside. They're a great commuter boot. You can get them in any colour you like as long as it's black for an MSRP of only $79.99. Get yours from Ghost Bikes today.